Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm making a super quick but super helpful video here for you guys today on how to set up your Think or Swim active trader for options trading so that you have everything all in one spot where you can just take easy, quickly executed, simple options scalps. So here we go. Sharing the screen. So this is what the final product looks like. Now, obviously, I'm going to, well, no, this isn't the final product, but I'm going to show you guys how I got to this spot. So this is what it looks like, okay? So really quickly, we have the S&P 500 futures 1 day, 1 minute chart here. We have the SPY 1 day, 1 minute chart here. And we have the active trader right here. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what is this weird numbers in the top here? This is the options contract that I'm using as an example for a call contract, one out of the money. So it would be the $423 contract. If I expand this cell, you'll see it says here 423 call. Whoops. Can I get back to this now? Okay. So that's what I have preloaded here, which makes this so easy on the price ladder, which I really like that Thinkorswim has available, especially trading options and futures. It's so easy to come in here and just click an instant buy or an instant sell. You know, you obviously have to have auto send on, you know, and you guys could set up this any way you want, but that's just the way I have it. So if we were going to be trading contracts, we could always click 1, 3, 5, 10, 20. You could just put in exactly how many, but I'm going to do 3 because I find if I'm trading SPY contracts, 3 is a good one for me. It's a good risk. It's a good return. And that's what works best for me. So the reason why I have these 3 set up like this, and the way that you do it is you just click on this box up here, and you can do as many cells as you want. I chose the 3 that you see right here, and I just saved it. You could save grid as SPY options strategy, okay? So that if you ever want to go back out to your other active traders, you can have them all saved whatever way you want. So this is what I do, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the options loaded right up into here. And all you do is you go into all products. If you're trading the SPY, you type in the SPY here, and whichever options chain you want. Let's just do this one just for example. Let's see, these are the puts, these are the calls. We take the 423 option, and all you do is you right click on it. You send this contract, and I had mine set on Lilac. So you just press that, and now you go back out here, trade active trader, and now that contract is on this price ladder. And this is just such an easier way to do it. I used to detach it sometimes, have it up on another monitor, but this is all in one simple area, all right in front of you. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I wanted to share with you guys, my subscribers, anybody that, might be considering subscribing to the channel. And it's just simple and easy. That's what I like to do. Keep it simple, keep it easy, and, think or swim, you could do a lot with. You can really do a lot with. It's a free, for a free platform, it's pretty good. So that's how I have this set up. Now, the reason why this keeps changing, but let me just put this back in. The reason why I have the futures here and then I have the SPY here is because, and I go on to charts, which I also have set up on the 184 hour. So when I'm trading, I like to see all the important price levels. So for the previous trading day, I have here mapped out this important level here, here, and here. So when we go back onto our active trader, it's all right here for you, okay? And these levels are there for a reason. I have seen that those are either support or resistance. So when I'm trading options and I'm scalping intraday, I use the RSI, right, for either oversold or oversold or overbought levels. And I either take a call contract. So I would buy a call contract down here, right? It's close to this level. This was at, what is that? That's 2 p.m. roughly. So this is about 2 o'clock. And this is why I like to have the futures up here too, because you can see how close this is to this important price level at 2 o'clock, whereas this one at 2 o'clock is much further from this important price level. So this I like to have up here. It gives me another set of eyes on the S&P 500, something that this is not showing me at the time. So I like this would have been a nice area to take a long a call contract. It's also very low on the oversold side, and then you have this nice rip up. So right here at 2 p.m. would have been a nice area to get long, so to buy a call contract. And now we were at 421 is what we were currently trading at. So what would I do if I was taking a call contract? It would be the $422 call. And that's what I would have taken. I would have preloaded it. So when we were over around this area, I already go into my products, go onto the SPY, load it up. I'm already loaded at this point. What did I say? 422. Send to Lilac, and Lilac will now have the 422 call options pre-loaded. And all you do is you come into here, one simple click, and you are long those 3 contracts. You don't have to go into a bunch of different screens. Everything is right in front of you, because when you're scalping options, you don't even have a second to waste. You want to get the best possible price, and you can see where all the numbers are at. you know, all the contracts, the open interest. It's so simple this way. It's right in front of you. I have to figure out a way where I can keep this one. Every time I change my screen, it takes this off. So I'm going to come into here. I'm going to click save as right now. All right. So then now this will be saved here. So also, I don't know if I said it, but when I go to send that to this number 9, there's numbers here where you could either unlink it, or I put just this one, number 9 here, and that's why it sends it to this number. You know, when I had clicked on that, and my watch lists are set on number 1 for whatever reason. So this is how, you know, maybe while I'm in here, I'll show you the charts, what I have up. On my 1 day, 1 minute, I have the VWAP. So this is the lower band of the VWAP. This is the VWAP, the volume weighted average price right now. And this is the top band. And I always make my colors red on the top for kind of like resistance, where that's where I'm going to want to sell area. And then green is always on the bottom, where it's like support in a trending market that's trending up. I always just set mine up like this. You don't have to do the same colors. Like my VWAP is dotted and it's yellow. It's just something that I've had for years and I just stay that way. I also have the 9 EMA in here. And that's all I have. And then the RSI. That's all I have on the 1 day, 1 minute chart. And also my 5 minute, 1 day chart has the same stuff. The 9 minute, the 9 day EMA and the VWAP. Those are just the 2 indicators and the RSI that I use on my, you know, really, really small time frame. When I'm looking at a longer time frame, I have my 200-day simple moving average. I have my 50-day, which is this one right here, this tan one, SMA. And then I have a 20-day EMA. And that's what I have, and the RSI. That's what I have on my daily chart, my longer term charts. So if you look at my daily chart, it's the same thing. The 20 EMA, the 50-day SMA, and the 200-day SMA. And I always have my important price levels that I'm looking at. And that's how I trade options. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up for me. And if you're new, consider subscribing. We have new videos every single day. Also, we have a great group over on our Discord server. I'll link that in the description. You guys could join that. It's free to join. And, you know, everybody in there is throwing out ideas on how to make money. So it's a great group. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone.